Well, hello there, friends. So today's going to be a quick one. I just wanted to share with you my happiness. Well, this is what I've been doing the other 3 or 4 days of the week. I get out here as early as I can before it gets really hot during the day. It's summertime now. But anyway, this is going to be our new shop. And this is my property I've been working on here for about 3 years. And I can tell you exactly where we started. Well, this is what our property looked like 3 years ago. It was just totally forest. So you can barely make your way through anything. This is the property next door to us. And you can see here, this is our side. I saw it move. There it goes. Woo!
The big looks like it's not really enough to just to cut the trees and
There's your new home, George. You got your own pond.
stay here. You're good.
What are you doing?
Huh?
You're walking on our door. That's going to be our door. Don't touch him. He'll get itchy if you touch him. And look what Marilee did today. She made a door. All in one day. Not bad, huh? And not only that, but it's a pivot door. So we got a pivot door there with no hinges. And made some custom door handles. Look at that. So not only does this door here swing out just like that, but it will also swing in like that. Ta-da! Step back. There we go. Got it. That's it. So it took a long time, and I had several people help me level the land and grade the land the way I wanted it, take down the trees, shred the trees, and hey, we're finally getting grass this year. Last year there's nothing here but dirt. I wanted to keep some naturality to our property here. So I kept some trees and a lot of the natural stuff that's in the forest. And this is where our future home is going to sit. I'm going to build about a 1,600 square foot house. 1 bedroom, 1 giant bathroom, 1 giant bedroom. That's what I wanted, with either 12 or 14 foot ceilings. So you can see here we're off grid. So we have our water storage. We have our septic here. We have our solar up there. So no paying any money to the man. So here I have 12-foot ceilings. Because why? That's because I wanted it. So this was our first phase right here. It's to make this room livable. Or semi-livable anyway. I made this big 8-foot door here. And this is where our operations are right now. Get my solar stuff up today, and this is where we keep our tools and materials. And there's my smoking hot wife. She's here with me all the time, and we're getting this done together. So this is going to be the workspace right here. That's where I'm going to have my sewing machine table, my desk, computer, all that stuff's going to go in that corner right there. Got another big giant door, 4x8 foot door. It's going to go there as well as here. So right here, this is going to lead to a storage. I'm going to build an additional 40 foot by 10 foot building on the other side of that door. Today I'm going to try to finish up these walls here, try to get them closed in. Also add 2 more roof panels. Try to get those up. They're not easy to get up that high roof. Hurricane Beryl is on the way in a few days. So I was hoping to get some more of those roof panels up there, but the supplier is closed for the last 2 days. Here, Smoking Hot's got her garden going pretty good. We've already yielded some fruit and some vegetables out of here. Here we set up her herb garden. So the next building to go up will be right here, where you can see that I killed off the grass. That's where our storage building is going to be. Is this huge or what? So nail by nail and board by board, we get a little bit of progress done almost every day. So a few months from now, we plan on having this place operational, where I can actually accept customers and start scheduling some working out of here. So I hope you can share your joy with me, and please let me know in the comments what you think. Sorry, no techniques today, but I promise plenty more in the future. So this is the spot where I'm going to be saying in the future, till next time, we'll see ya.